Hey guys, over here, and today we'll be playing Agario. Blah blah blah, who cares? Let's go. Agario is technically a game where you have to swallow dots. Avoid being killed, technically. Sorry if you can't hear me that much, that's because my voice hurts, so I'm sorry. Already. I suck at this game. Mika. Why Mika? What? Sorry about that. But yeah. Wait, whoa. Oh. That is one big guy. Oh no, two. Two, don't eat me, two. Holy cow. Oh, I'm so happy I did. Oh, rip me. I feel like it'd take a year for that thing to move. Like that. Get that big. Honestly, the biggest I've got on here is like, I'd say 0. I don't think I've even got bigger yet. Holy crap. I just haven't managed to eat anybody. Oh, gosh. Gario. Wait, was that another big one? Oh, yes it is. That guy almost drove straight into it. Holy crap, I'm in 77th place. Crap. 68. I should be able to eat somebody by now. Some type of cell. Oh, nope. Nope. Nope, I was just eaten by a banana. It's kind of twisted. But I'm trying to get a skin. Oh god. This is horrible. This is horrible. She's gonna go half move or something. Oh, it didn't work. Whatever. And she's growing bigger every day. Banana Joe looks scary, so... Dang it. I just wanted food. Okay. Why would you kill me if I wanted food? It's not cool. Of course I've got eaten. Oh, no. Oh my gosh. Well, guess this is Agario. Oh my no. My thing got stuck for a second. I was afraid I was just gonna run straight into something. And be like, ooh, food. Like that. I just got eaten by the moon. Jolly day. That thing was big. Hey look, there's a guy named Dodge. Pretty sure that's a guy. He's on his video, he was, but maybe I'm just stupid. That was close. Oh, I was running into a wall. No wonder I stopped moving. Eating. What if these were actually other players and I was like a big dot to them? Oh, the dot attack. Holy whatever that planet is. I was trying to think of that planet. Let's see. Holy Mercury, that thing was big. A little bit late. I wanna get the chicken skin. Oh, that's cool. Let's go through it. So, this does nothing? Oh god, close. It's Bad Boy. It's not Batman. My name's Bad Boy. What? Grow me. Oh. Yeah. I haven't ate another cell. Just ate polka dots. Whatever these polka dots are called. Polka dots. Agario polka dots. Holy toxic radiation. Oh, run. Run. Oh no. Let me in. Let me in. Hide me. Oh. Jumbo's is a jumbo size. Football. I hate football. I'm pretty sure that it's not a football. Should soccer ball. But, okay. I ate a cell. Holy crap. Cell tried to eat me and I ate him. Eat Banana Joe. You need a hug. Oh no, I don't need a hug. I don't want to die. I'm tiny again. So one bad thing, you don't keep your progress. He touched me so hard. Pro skills touching is what he did. I gotta eat Jumbo up here. Because he's not that Jumbo anymore. Origin! Oh, I don't like Origin. He's an Orbite. It just looks weird. Can't wait till I get the chicken. I'm so confused what these are all about. Don't know. I'm the cell master. More like the cell noob. Yeah, this is gonna be the title of this video. I am the cell noob. I am the cell noob. No one can dare beat me. Oh god, is that Kai? I think that's Kai. Every time I see Dodge, I think it's Kai. Because that's what Kai was. Okay. Holy dang. We all know to go in this thing because it's cool looking. I'm still wondering what that thing is. Oh, bottom left is at the bottom.
Let me look and see what you see.
What are you looking for? So I'm gonna end the video here. Sorry for the interruption, by the way. So, bye.